today's video, we're going to be looking at maintenance and troubleshooting on your amazing Waterfall submersible pump. So let's just have a look at what we're going to be doing. First of all, the construction of the pump. You've got your cover, so you just take the cover off like that. Inside the cover you've got a sponge, take that out. Then you've got your volute, you open it and then pull the volute out, and then inside here you will find a shaft as well as a impeller. Take those out. So what you're going to do now is, just for maintenance, is check your chamber, make sure that that's clean of any debris and that it's good. Inside there you have your shaft, which is a ceramic shaft. Make sure that that's fine, free of any debris, free of any cracks or anything. They do come in spare parts. And then your impeller and magnet is good. So then what we do is we put the shaft back in when we're going to the side. So make sure the bush is on your shaft and then hold the impeller. Remember, keep your fingers away from this because some of your bigger models, the magnet pulling it into the chamber is very strong. And then what you do is you just line it up. You make sure that's pushed in. There we go. Your shaft is in nice and securely. Put your bush on. Also just check, okay, that turns freely. Put your bush on this side before putting your impeller, your volute on, to make sure that it lines up. If it doesn't line up, it runs skew, and obviously that impacts your wear on your motor and the efficiency. Make sure the volute goes back into the bush and then clip it back on. There we go. It's clipped on. Again, make sure that your sponge, before putting it back in, is clean of any debris as well as algae. Wash it in water. Make sure that it's nice and clean. Make sure it's open. If not, what does happen is it stops the flow and obviously the effectiveness of the pump. Put that back in and then you clip this back in, and there we go. This is your volume control, 15% up or down in terms of your volume for your water flow, and that is maintenance and troubleshooting on your fantastic Waterfall pump.